Welcome to TradeTheMBI.com. This is John. This report is for the 17th of May. Well, we're still in a bullish run here with the magenta continue to rise. Red still leading it on an MBI, so that could cause some resistance areas. But full dip in the DOC of the orange below red, and both red-green rising, as well as you have steel above cyan. So all in all, those are all positive things. We saw the continual build. How much strength and where it will stop at the 38%, or is the 23 going to be enough? Well, we're testing 23 right now. I would expect to pass through it, and especially with what we're seeing from this reading setup, a failure to do so would be somewhat catastrophic, I would think. It doesn't change the fact that there's still a lot of headwinds all over the place in every category, but sometimes when you get overdone, you get a little bit of a bounce back simply because some shorts want to cover, take those gains. And then some people see an optimism within the readings. I'm not sure where that particularly is coming from. I think that what you may see, though, is certain sectors of the economy are obviously going to outperform, not to mention certain regions. This is going to become one of those regional setups. From an NQ standpoint, identical situation. Nothing is different there. The euro still trying to get some kind of a comeback. I mean, it's making a move, but we would call that what? Rising 3 methods from a candlestick pattern, which usually fails and makes a new low at that point. But that's bullish from MBI, DOC, as far as that dip all the way down. The question will be, will white overtake magenta right there? It's close, but still magenta leads, so that's still overall net bullish on that setup. And there we have gold, small little comeback from the depths. Again, that's that read of the longer term deflationary issues. This is going to be the problem, and this is where the globe is going to be tightening up ever more, because as the West moves towards more isolation of Russia and the products, the West is going to feel more and more impact from it. Yes, Russia is going to face some of it, but at the end of the day, everyone else is paying for it. Not to mention the broader stimulus, and that it had already created an influx of cash, but the Fed had been somewhat dealing with that with the volatility that we've seen in the market, as well as some of the other factors. Obviously, rising rates certainly would help in this particular case. Continuing to go back up to where they were in this big influx of capital, and then boom, fading back down. If it break below that 112 in that and start to get towards the 105 range, then it's really going to be expensive, and you'll see that huge impact in real estate. We're already seeing it in different regions. Bitcoin unable to really do much of anything, but holding on to the around 30K level, which is pretty decent as far as that goes. People were apocalyptic. We had it filled the positive extreme in the 28 range, so beyond that, that was just a matter of good support, and it bounced right off of it. ETH, Ethereum, beautiful with those readings on the setup, declined, very clean from its overall reading standpoint. So just love the way it starts this little build. Perfect ABC moves. Clean and simple. From a 50K standpoint, not a whole lot of anything after that big bump. Still have positive extremes to fill, going all the way back to the 39.17 range in time. And then here's where you can see the market pretty choppy overall. A little bit of a run, pause, breakdown, repeat. And I think we just did that over and over again, and just in bigger scales as it went, which was pretty clean. I had no real objection to anything that took place there. The late day sell-off bought it all the way back in the post-market. Super clean, but all on positive extremes, going all the way back to its beginning at 4,005. So we'll be looking for those to start filling, and just becomes range up and down. And can't complain because these ranges are pretty significant overall. In some cases like this last did 40 points plus. So beautiful. As always, I will continue to update you on the Skype chat. Trade well. We'll talk to you later.